What is artificial intelligence? The idea of a thinking machine dates back to ancient Greece. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that teaches computers and machines to simulate human-like learning, understanding, problem-solving, decision-making, creativity, and autonomy. AI-powered applications and devices can recognize and identify objects, understand and respond to human language. However, in 2024, most AI researchers and practitioners, as well as AI-related news, are focused on generative AI. To fully understand generative AI, it is important to first understand the technologies it is built upon: machine learning, ML, and deep learning. Machine learning involves creating models based on an algorithm's data to make predictions or decisions. Neural networks model the structure and function of the human brain. A neural network consists of interconnected nodes that work together to process and analyze complex data. The simplest form of machine learning is supervised learning, which uses labeled datasets. Deep learning is a subsegment of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks. Deep neural networks include at least 3 layers of input, and typically hundreds of output layers. Deep learning does not require human intervention. It gives machine learning the ability to scale. Generative artificial intelligence refers to deep learning models that can create complex, original content. Generative models have been used for years in statistics to analyze numerical data. Variational autoencoders, VAEs, made it possible to create models that could generate many variations of content. Transformers are trained on sequential data to create extended sequences of content. Transformers are the basis of the most common generative AI tools today. Generative artificial intelligence works in 3 phases: training, tuning, and generating. To create a foundation model, specialists train a deep learning algorithm on a huge amount of relevant raw material. Tuning involves providing the model with specific labeled data. Artificial intelligence offers many benefits in various industries and applications. Automation of repetitive tasks, processing more data in less time. Improving decision-making, reducing human error. Artificial intelligence is always on, available, and provides consistent performance every time. The real-world uses of artificial intelligence are diverse: user experience, service, and support. Fraud detection, personalized marketing, human resources and recruitment, application development and modernization. Predictive maintenance. The development of AI and its ethics are regulated by law. However, this cannot completely ensure against risks. Even industries with large resources cannot keep up with the pace of development of artificial intelligence. We can use this smart technology in many directions and make people's daily lives better.
I'll be back.
The first time you said, "I'll be back," I'd imagine when you said it, you never thought